Hello guys, what's up? Today I will tell you about Outback Belly Burner and things like how to use it, where to get it from, what its benefits are, because I've been using Outback Belly Burner for a while now and I've had amazing results with it. And so I decided to recommend it to friends who wanted to lose weight. So they started using it and they had amazing results with it as well. So that's why I decided to share all of these things with you guys. So the first thing you need to know is where to get Outback Belly Burner from. So at the moment, Outback Belly Burner can only be sold on its official website. Unfortunately, people have realized that this supplement is becoming very popular and it is selling like crazy. So they started making fakes, and these fakes can lead to bad results, to side effects, and I don't want that to happen to you. So to help you with that, I have left the link to the official website of the manufacturer in the description of the video below. All right, so remember to only purchase the product from that official website. Moving on, what is Outback Belly Burner? It is a weight loss supplement made of 8 natural ingredients that have been scientifically proven to aid in the removal of stubborn belly fat. The main goal of the supplement is to get rid of methane gridlock in your body. According to new research, high methane levels are the cause of many people's stubborn belly fat. The supplement has no chemical substances in it, and it is manufactured in the USA at an FDA registered and GMP certified facility. And considering that it is completely natural, there are no side effects, so anybody can take it, even if you take medicine, so you can really trust this product. That being said, I'm pretty sure I got you more excited about Outback Belly Burner now, right? So if you really want to have great results, as I did, you need to make sure that you take the supplement every single day. Personally, I like taking it during breakfast, because since it's a supplement, I suppose it's better to take it every day at the same time. Also, have in mind that the supplement is no magic, so it is recommended to keep taking it for at least 3 months to really achieve those very great results. And also, have in mind that just the supplement is not enough to lose a lot of weight. It's very important that you keep a balanced and healthy diet, and also that you drink plenty of water. And also remember that each body will react differently. People have their results in different periods of time, but that doesn't mean that the supplement will not work. You just have to be realistic and patient about your results. Another very important thing is that you have a 180-day risk-free guarantee to test the product. So if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you all your money back. So I wanted to record this Outback Belly Burner review video first to warn you about the website where you're going to buy it from, because as I said, it is only sold on its official website. And so again, to help you, I left the link to the official website in the description of the video below. I really hope that Outback Belly Burner helps you improve your life too. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching.